When I paint in Corel Painter, I like my cursor to be a left-pointing red arrow. The way to adjust the cursor's appearance is in Preferences, Brush Cursor. The Preferences dialog box appears. In the Cursor Type menu, choose Icon. In the Shape menu, I have Triangle selected. You could try the other options and see if maybe you like a different one. In the Color Picker, you can choose the desired color. I prefer red. Then for angle, I have 301.47 chosen, which points the triangle to the upper left because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you could point it to the upper right with a setting of 48. And then click OK. I'm going to go ahead and change it back in Preferences, Brush Cursor, Angle, and set it back at 301.47 and click OK. Now the cursor is pointing to the upper left again. And that's how I changed the cursor appearance in Corel Painter. For more tips, tricks, and techniques for turning photos into paintings in Corel Painter and Adobe Photoshop, join us at the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers, where you'll find art lessons and step-by-step techniques for painting based on photos of people, landscapes, horses, pets, florals, wildlife, anything. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or someone who would like to sell your paintings based on photos, the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers classes, brushes, and feedback webinars will help you in your painting progress. Happy painting!